Good morning, local news for Friday the 7th of April. Greater Wellington Regional Councillors have voted to establish a pilot Wairarapa committee at their meeting. The Local Government Commission recommended that GWRC form a Wairarapa committee to focus on regional council's work in Wairarapa and as part of its proposal for a combined Wairarapa District Council. Chair Chris Laidlaw said a pilot Wairarapa committee will bring a more focused local dimension to complement the work the council already does within Wairarapa communities. New figures released by Chorus have revealed New Zealand's top 10 cities for fast fixed-line broadband, and Masterton has come in 8th. Excuse me. Chorus Network Strategy Manager Kurt Rogers says the results show that New Zealanders are downloading, streaming TV and gaming at a huge rate, with a growth rate in Masterton of 72.8%. Despite the growing role of broadband in New Zealanders' lives, about 60% of homes and businesses on the Chorus network could have a better fixed-line broadband connection and a more enjoyable online experience, often at no extra cost. Wairarapa, which experienced near-average temperatures for the month of March, goes against the rest of the North Island. The highest wind gust was claimed by Castle Points throughout the country at 137 kilometres an hour on the 20th of last month. And in sport, Premier Rugby kicks off this weekend with Maris hosting Ikitahuna tonight, 7:15 at Trust House Memorial Park. Last year's champions Greytown will host Martinborough tomorrow. Carterton play Pioneer. Gladstone are at home to East Coast. And tonight's game, as I said, 7:15 at Trust House Memorial Park, with all Saturday games at 2:30. And well done to Greytown's Seth Rance being selected on the Black Caps for the Irish and Bangladeshi games next month. Well done, mate. Very proud of you here at Wairarapa TV. For local news, I'm Brent Gare.